Great question, and I'm glad you asked. Our SAM packages are built to keep your organization running at its best day in and day out. Everything you already have in place, from cybersecurity tools to infrastructure to backup systems to compliance frameworks and more. There's entitlement associated with the package you've selected, and the items that are covered. The ones that may not be within the package, we'll find a way to maintain them, whether it's a SACS agreement or some other method. We'll maintain, monitor, and improve these systems over time so that you stay aligned with your business goals. Additionally, we have incremental improvements. We don't just keep the lights on, we help you evolve your systems, your processes, and tools to stay ahead of threats, inefficiencies, and industry changes.